Hello, day 16. Currently on second day or third day, whatever it is, in Ukraine right now. Mainly spent today doing moving boxes, volunteer work, less magic and entertaining today, just helping at the shelter more. There's numerous shelters. I'm in Lviv, Ukraine, as you can see behind me. It's part of the city. You go through a lot of checkpoints. I took the bus with I got some friends here who are also at the shelter. Later on today, I'm going to do some more magic at the shelter and help out with transportation of donations and stuff. So I'm doing more labor today. Tomorrow, I'm going to do more. Going to I guess go on a bus that's going to different locations in Lviv, and I'm going to entertain. And I don't know yet. So I'm doing. My main point is a church in Lviv, and the father is very helpful and with me trying to help and go search for locations I can entertain refugees and those that are displaced because of the war. So, like I said, it's a very secure. Everywhere you go, there's barricades and all that kind of stuff. I even was taking a picture from far away, and they approached me and they asked for my passport and everything. So they're very secure, which is expected. They do it for everybody. So I was even joking with the troops. I was saying, I want to entertain you, and they were joking. So maybe later on I'll go entertain the troops when they're on break or something. But when we get to that point, we'll get to it. So, but like it says, every day, taking day by day, seeing as much help I can do, I'll do. You know what I mean? So we'll see. The more people I help, the better. I'm like, you know. But so far so good. Keep smiling. Hey, bye bye.